Deep beneath the Aegean Sea, divers found a treasure. Not gold, but gears. Complex, intricate gears. They belonged to a device so advanced, it shouldn't have existed for another 1,500 years. This wasn't just an artifact. It was a ghost from the future, defying everything we thought we knew about ancient technology. Imagine a 2,100-year-old analog computer. A device built by hands that understood celestial mechanics with breathtaking precision. It could predict eclipses, track planetary movements, and even calculate Olympic cycles. For decades, its purpose remained shrouded in mystery, but what they found next changed everything. The year was 1900. A sponge diving vessel, the Chimes Asterisk, sought shelter from a violent storm. This was near the tiny, rugged island of Antikythera off the sun-drenched coast of Greece. Stadiades, one of the divers, plunged into the crystal-clear, yet intimidating Aegean waters. He was searching for sponges, his eyes scanning the seabed. But what he stumbled upon was far more extraordinary. 70 meters down, amidst the shifting sand and deep-sea silence, a dark, colossal shape emerged from the gloom. It was the ghostly outline of an ancient Roman shipwreck. This wasn't just wood and debris. It was a time capsule, its cargo scattered across the seafloor. Amphorae, their clay still intact, lay beside colossal marble statues and corroded bronze artifacts. The divers, battling treacherous currents, the crushing pressure, and their primitive diving suits, brought up incredible treasures. Each ascent from the crushing depths was a desperate gamble. It was a terrifying reach into a forgotten past. This wasn't just a salvage operation. It was an accidental discovery that would rewrite our understanding of ancient ingenuity. The Mediterranean had held its secret for over 2 millennia. It waited for the opportune moment to reveal a technological marvel. They knew they had found something significant, but its true nature remained hidden. Among the treasures brought up from the seabed, something peculiar was found. Majestic bronze statues, intricate pottery, and ancient coins were also recovered. But this was a heavily corroded, calcified lump, roughly the size of a shoebox. Initially, it was dismissed. Divers and early researchers believed it to be merely a piece of rock, perhaps a damaged statue fragment. It sat unnoticed for months in an Athens museum storeroom. But then, in 1902, something shifted. A fragment broke away, revealing a glimpse beneath the encrusted surface. Inside, tiny, intricate bronze gears gleamed. Gears nested within gears, impossibly small, astonishingly complex. This was no natural formation. This was engineered. Professor Spiridon Sties, a keen archaeologist, was the first to truly grasp its significance. He saw the precision, the meticulous design. It was a mechanism, a machine, and it was utterly unlike anything ever recovered from the ancient world. Advanced scanning later revealed its astonishing internal structure. Over 30 separate bronze gears, dials, and pointers. Inscriptions detailing astronomical cycles, mathematical constants, and celestial bodies. This was an analog computer designed to predict solar and lunar eclipses. It tracked planetary movements and even calculated Olympic cycles with breathtaking accuracy. Imagine the sheer shock, the profound disbelief. This device, later named the Antikythera Mechanism, had been lying silent for centuries. It shattered every preconceived notion about ancient Greek technology. They believed it was a calendar, a celestial guide, a marvel of engineering. But the real mystery wasn't what they found. The real mystery was Asterisk, how it was made, and who possessed such knowledge. This was not a simple clock. It was a differential gear system, a marvel of miniaturization. Imagine gears with teeth just over a millimeter long, painstakingly cut from solid bronze. Its front face displayed a calendar dial, tracking the Egyptian year and the Saros cycle for predicting eclipses. The back featured 2 large spiraling dials, one for the Metonic cycle, predicting lunar phases, and another for the Callippic cycle, offering even greater accuracy over longer periods. But here's where it gets truly interesting. researchers found evidence of an epicyclic gearing system, allowing it to model the irregular, elliptical orbits of planets like Mars and Venus, a concept not formally understood in Europe for another 1400 years with Kepler. How did ancient Greeks grasp such intricate celestial mechanics? And how did they translate that understanding into such sophisticated metallurgy and precision engineering? The craftsmanship was staggering. Every component, from the smallest pin to the largest dial, was hand-cut with astonishing accuracy. It required not only astronomical genius, but also a mastery of bronze working that pushed the limits of ancient technology. This wasn't a workshop experiment. This was a fully realized, mass-produced instrument, suggesting a tradition of advanced engineering. The implications were profound. But in 2017, advanced X-ray tomography and a new understanding of ancient Greek texts revealed something even more profound. For decades, it was assumed the mechanism was largely complete, its functions primarily understood. However, a deeper analysis unveiled hidden inscriptions and previously unseen components. These new findings suggested the device was capable of far more than just predicting eclipses and planetary movements. It could also track the movements of all 5 classical planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, with remarkable accuracy, a feat thought impossible for ancient technology. Even more startling, the internal architecture hinted at an theoretical model of the cosmos that incorporated some aspects of a heliocentric system, centuries before Copernicus. This wasn't just an astronomical calculator. It was a working model of the universe itself, challenging the very foundation of our understanding of ancient scientific thought. This wasn't merely a technological anomaly. It was a paradigm shift. This new evidence forced a radical reevaluation. If the Antikythera mechanism incorporated elements of a heliocentric model, even conceptually, what does that mean for the history of astronomy? It suggests that advanced cosmological theories, perhaps even a nascent understanding of a sun-centered universe, were present in ancient Greece, but somehow lost to time. This wasn't just a lost device. It was a lost science. And this changes everything we thought about the transmission of knowledge. It implies a level of scientific sophistication and observational astronomy that was far more advanced than previously imagined. Who were these brilliant minds capable of such insights? Were there other devices, other workshops, other scientists whose contributions have been swallowed by history? The mechanism now stands not just as a testament to ancient ingenuity, but as a chilling reminder of how much knowledge can be lost. It begs the question, what other technological marvels lie hidden, waiting to rewrite our history? The Antikythera mechanism is no longer just an artifact, it's a historical challenge. The Antikythera mechanism is more than just a calendar or a calculator. It is a profound philosophical statement etched in bronze. This ancient device, meticulously crafted over 2 millennia ago, represents a pinnacle of scientific achievement that we are only now fully appreciating. It confirms that the ancient Greeks possessed not only theoretical brilliance, but also the practical engineering skills to materialize their cosmic understanding. This means that 2,100 years ago, they already knew the intricate dance of the planets, the subtle shifts of the lunar phases, and the precise timing of celestial events with a sophistication that rivals early modern astronomy. Imagine the intellect required to conceive, design, and build such a mechanism without telescopes or advanced mathematical notation as we know them today. It speaks to a lost era of discovery, where meticulous observation and unparalleled ingenuity combine to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. The mechanism wasn't merely tracking the visible sky. It was modeling the entire universe, predicting its complex movements with stunning, almost prescient accuracy. Its very existence implies a thriving school of thought, a lineage of brilliant scientists, and a sophisticated technological tradition that, for reasons unknown, vanished from historical record, leaving this single, breathtaking artifact as its only ghost. This isn't just a revelation about a piece of technology. It's a revelation about the true depth and potential of ancient Greek civilization. It forces us to reconsider the entire timeline of human scientific and technological progress. This device, found at the bottom of the Aegean Sea, has pulled back the veil on a forgotten golden age, challenging us to look beyond our assumptions and embrace the possibility of lost knowledge that could still be waiting to be rediscovered. The Antikythera Mechanism stands as a haunting testament to what can be achieved and what can be lost. It forces us to ask, how many other wonders of ancient ingenuity remain hidden, buried beneath the sands or submerged in the unexplored depths of our oceans? What other profound scientific insights did these civilizations possess, only to have their advanced knowledge swallowed by the relentless tides of history? This incredible artifact challenges us to question everything we thought we knew about the past, inviting us into a deeper, more mysterious understanding of human achievement. It's a humbling reminder that history is not a static story, but an ongoing excavation, constantly revealing new, astonishing chapters. What do you think really happened to the knowledge that built this incredibly sophisticated device? Share your theories and insights in the comments below. If you're as fascinated by ancient mysteries and forgotten technologies as we are, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Ancient Origins Uncovered for more deep dives into humanity's incredible past. Next time, we'll journey to the heart of the Amazon to uncover a lost city that defies all conventional archaeology, hinting at another forgotten empire.